that you're not okay simply being you. And you're not okay being this separate, isolated, inner self object. See, this whole separation is seen as a malady. It's seen as, it shouldn't be that way. Well, probably because it shouldn't be that way. But that's another matter that you're going to handle pretty soon. See? But you see? And that malady has to be corrected. How can you correct it? Well, if you're alone and separated, you have to get connected. You have to stop being alone, you see, and separated. How do you do that? Well, you can't. Except through this myth of communication and connectedness. On the other hand, if you're not separate, you don't need to be connected. So you're not separate. You follow. In any case, you can follow the bouncing ball there, right? Your very self-experience is a social creation.
Yeah.
See? It depends on the distinction of self and other as conscious entities. Because you can only be in this private inner world if you are not in other private inner worlds kind of deals. If there's conscious, etc. Right? See, so you are social, and that's what you fear dying.
Yeah.
See? And the one big problem with dying is you're going to die alone, no matter what. See? Now you say, drifting off into space, that sucks, right? I'm going to die alone, right? And that's, very painful thing. And you probably feel better if you're at home with family loving you and stuff while you're dying. But you're still going to die alone.
Yeah.
You're just not going to be alone while you're dying. Ish. I mean, you really will, because nobody can actually join you in that venture. See? But that whole separate self is the dying. This is what I was suggesting, you see. It's the social self that you're afraid of dying. And it's also that very same one that is the lonely thing. See, and like we're saying, you're not okay being. If you're okay being, period, mundane, bored, separate, whatever, see, okay, but you're totally complete and okay being, however that is for you, no lonely. See, you don't need something. You don't need, okay. You see what I'm saying? I don't need somebody to fulfill me, to make me happy, to complete me, kind of thing. I'm happy as is.